Hi, welcome to Core Solutions. My name is Mahmoud, and today we are going to build a web page with HTML only without using CSS or any other style. So let's start. Now I have a folder in my desktop. This is my folder, and in this folder I have index.html. So you can create a folder, and we need to use a code editor. So in this case I'm using uh, VS Code, and also we need to have a browser. So I'm using Chrome, so you can run with Chrome. Let's start. So you can open your folder, just click file and say open folder, and you can choose your folder. So I have already opened my folder and it's here. So let's start. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna write HTML boilerplates, which shift plus 1 and then hit enter. We have HTML boilerplates. This boilerplates, there's a HTML doc type, which indicates that the file is HTML5, and we have HTML, we have header. In the header we have meta tags and title. So let's say HTML tutorial. Okay, let's say like that. And below that we need to write links. Let's link CSS. We don't have a CSS file yet, but we will link so long. So you can say link. Okay, rel style sheet, and the type is CSS, and href. Let's say we didn't create the file yet, but let's say CSS, or let's say style dot CSS, and close. Okay, that's all we need on the head. So let's go down to the body. Body tag is between these body tags is where we write all our code. So first thing we'll have here is header. In the header we will have a div. In that div we will have a class. Let's make a class so that it will be easy for us when we're going to style. And that class we're gonna call it container. All right, so in this div let us create navbar. In that navbar we need to have an ordered list, which is ul, and in that ul we need li. I'm gonna put li also, and let me copy another 3 times. So you can use shift. If you are using Windows, you can hold shift and alt and down arrow. That's what I'm using. Or let's say home, about, surface, and last I say contact. Okay, save, and let's see what we have in. We have, okay, that's a list. It's too ugly, but when we write with HTML, it's like this, because this is the skeleton. That's CSS, which makes the website looks good. All right. So after that, let's get out of this header, and below header, let's say, let's put section. Okay, let's section. In that section, let's give an ID. By the way, the difference between ID and class is that class you can use a couple of times, you can use for different items, but for ID you can use only once. A unique, this is very unique. So let's say ID, let's say mine area, or let's say showcase, and in that section let's have another div, and in this div let's give a class of same like this one, container. So we're gonna say class, and we're gonna say container. Okay, now we can write, let's give also h1, because this is the main area, this is the showcase area. So we're gonna give h1, and that h1, let's say professional web development, develop web development agents. Okay, and after that we're gonna give btech, and then this btech, let me go to Epson text generator, and grab a couple of paragraphs. Okay, so we're gonna take this, that's enough, copy and paste. Oh, wow. All right. Yeah, we can make like this, or we can put another btag. Let's put another btag, cut this one, and I put here, and we can put here. So there we go. Okay, save, go to our page, crown, refresh, and we have a lot of text. So it doesn't look good. Like I said, we can style this on CSS, and you can see this is the title, because this is h1. So the h1 is the biggest text that we can have on a page. So now um, okay, go down. Yes. Okay, below this section we can have footer. Let's say footer. Okay, in the footer you can have a B tag on paragraph, and in this paragraph um, we can have say we want to put the copyright here, so uh, space, we're going to say space. All right, space, and in this space we will give a class, because we need to style the footer also. So class, and this class, let's say foot, and in the B tag paragraph we can say okay, web design. Let's say web design agents, like there we said web design, let's say web design, comma, we want to put the copyright, so shift plus 7, shift plus 7, then copyright, and then semicolon, and after that you can give the dates 2021. Save. Let's check, refresh, and there we go. Okay, so this is all we need on HTML. This everything that we need on this page. So the next lesson we will style using CSS. So it's CSS that in the HTML we don't need a lot of code, it's only this, but on CSS we'll write a lot. It's a lot compared to HTML, and the page will look nice. So thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel, and on the next video we will style this page using CSS. Thank you.